Whatever the size of your organization, having a CRM, a customer relationship manager, is essential to improve customer satisfaction and increase your business revenue. The market offers a wealth of SaaS CRM solutions, but do you know that with Google Workspace collaborative tools, your team can access comprehensive customer insights to guarantee the performance of your business? In this video, we'll discover how Google Contacts, Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar can do most of the job of a CRM. Organize your contact lists. The first thing to do is to organize contact lists according to your workflows or categories. Sign in to Google Contacts. Click on New Label, and then create your contact lists like leads, hot opportunities, customers, ex-customers, resellers. Then organize your contacts in these different lists by uploading external lists, manually creating them, or synchronizing an existing CRM with Google Contacts. Then move around the contacts in the relevant lists. Note that the same contact can belong to several labels. For instance, you can organize leads by industry or region, giving you maximum access to easily find the leads that you need. Find the right contacts. To find the right contacts to reach out or to clean your lists, you can use Google Contacts search bar, or use the advanced search of Shared Contacts for Gmail dashboard to include or exclude contacts according to criteria such as their company names or their job titles. Enrich your contacts. Now that your contacts are all in one place, you can add all the important details that you need in the preset fields. And if it is not enough, you can create custom fields to match your specific business flows. Google Contact also shows you all the interactions you had with the contact, as well as its public profile. Collaborate on contacts. CRM are collaborative tools of excellence. If you work with a team, you may want to share your leads and customer information with your team. The Shared Contacts for Gmail Manager allows you to share the labels of your choice with your teams and to manage their access privileges. You can also decide which fields are visible or not by whom in order to respect your contact's privacy. In addition, the comment functionality allows team members to centralize their notes and comments and notify each other when an important event happens on a contact. Use Google Drive Unlimited Storage. In Google Drive, create one folder for each customer and store all the documents and files related to that customer. Then select who can access these documents. Now, add the Drive link in the contact in order for you and your team to have this customer's documentation handy at all times. Schedule with Google Calendar and Google Meet. Google Calendar is the perfect tool for scheduling customer meetings. You can create Google Meet sessions, add attachments, or make your calendar public to let your customers book a slot with you. Share your mailboxes. Shared mailboxes are also an important point of collaborative customer relationship management. You can use Google Groups to set up shared inboxes, but it has a lot of limitations. Using a Chrome extension like Drag is a recommended option. Save on CRM licenses. You may need to use a third-party CRM for some specific features, but not everyone needs them, and paying costly CRM licenses for users that only need to collaborate on contacts is a high price to pay. So there's a trick consisting in buying licenses only for people who need the most extensive features of the CRM, usually less than 10% of the users in an organization. Then share the CRM contacts with the other users. Here's how it works. First, remove the licenses of all the users that only need to see and update leads and contacts. Then, synchronize the main account of your CRM with Google Contacts. New labels will appear in Google Contacts containing the CRM contacts. Share these labels with the removed users and give them the right permissions. The plugin to share the contacts is not free either, but the price of this solution will be way cheaper than a CRM. Thanks for watching this video, And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.